Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel, or welcome if you're new here. Our Amazon find for today is Elta MD. It's received 4.6 out of 5 stars and over 70,000 have been purchased in the past month alone. Discover radiant healthy skin with Elta MD, your ultimate skincare ally. Your skin deserves the best protection and care, and that's exactly what Elta MD delivers. Trusted by dermatologists worldwide, Elta MD is the gold standard in skincare, offering a comprehensive line of products that blend cutting-edge science with soothing, nourishing ingredients. Elta MD skincare does more than just protect your skin. It elevates your skincare routine to new heights. Whether you're battling the sun's harsh rays, dealing with sensitive skin, or simply looking to maintain your youthful glow, Elta MD has you covered with solutions tailored to your unique needs. Infused with transparent zinc oxide, it provides powerful protection against UVA and UVB rays without clogging pores or leaving a white cast. Plus, it's packed with antioxidants to combat free radicals and boost skin health. Elevate your regimen and protect your skin and reveal the radiant, confident you with Elta MD. Check out the link in the description box or simply scan the QR code. Like, comment, and subscribe for more Amazon finds.